Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ezelera Godfever, and in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can group numbers into ranges using pivot tables in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you've ever wanted to group numbers like age, salary in Excel, this video is for you. And this is the data set we are going to be using. This data set was gotten from Kaggle, and this is an electronic sales data set. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Microsoft Excel from Microsoft 365. If you're using a different version, some buttons or steps might look a little bit different, but the process is mostly the same. Now, I'll start by converting this data to a table. I'm going to say insert table and I'll say OK. Or you can use the shortcut Control T. Now that I've converted it to a table, the next thing I want to do is I want to insert my pivot table. So I'm going to click on insert and I'm going to click on pivot table. And since we already have our table, I'm going to say from table. Now, it has selected my table. Do I want it in a new worksheet or do I want it in an existing worksheet? I want it in a new worksheet. I'm going to click on OK. Now we've created our pivot table. So the column I want to group is my customer age. I'm going to drag it to my rows. So you can see that we have different ages here. Now I want to group by high-end purchases. So I'm going to drag this here to values. So I've dragged my high-end to values and my customer age to rows. Now this is what we have. To group this, I'm going to click on this age column and I'm going to right click. Now you're going to see group. I'll click on group. Now it opens up this dialog box. It's already inserted the lowest age from our data and the highest age, which is 69. Now it's asking, what do I want to group by? Do I want to group by 5 or by 10? If I'm going to group by 5, I'm going to have 18 to 25 or 24. But let's try 5. So if I group by 5, you see 18 to 22, not 24. Or I can decide to group by 10. Now with this, I can now insert my chart by clicking on insert and then inserting my chart here, which I can decide to format. Grouping using pivot table in Excel is useful for segmenting data fast and is perfect for creating charts. Thank you so much for listening, guys. See you guys in my next video.